creamy mushroom pasta bake done on a big green egg. Let's do it. Here we go. We're going to start with a pot of boiling water, or a pot to boil water, so we can make that pasta. We are going to season it like it's the ocean. Oh yeah. Once that's nice and coming to a boil, we are going to drop in some penne pasta. It is the mini one. It's what we had. You can do the bigger ones. Sometimes size doesn't matter. Get it to a nice boil. Grab some pasta water. You're going to want that starchy water for later. Now into a big cast iron pan, melt some butter, and then we're going to throw in some of our bacon and let that render. Look at that, bubbly. Oh, it looks so delicious. Once we have that bacon rendered, we're going to scoop it out. We're going to leave most of the bacon grease in, take out a little bit just so it's not over greasy. Another little bit of butter in there. Let it start to kind of not necessarily deglaze that pan, but do its magic. Throw in our mushrooms and start to sweat those babies down. And right before that, we're going to hit it with that classic. Oh yeah, this stuff is amazing. It's an all-purpose, amazing table seasoning. I don't know how you live without it. Guys, if you like our content, make sure you like and subscribe. Ooh, in goes our minced garlic as soon as those mushrooms are nice and cooked down. Let all that fragrance come together. Mix it in real nice. Oh yeah. Once we have those mushrooms going nicely, we're going to hit it with some chicken stock just to fully deglaze that pan. Then throw in some parsley. And let that stuff start to cook down. Go in with a little bit of thyme. Now we're going to go in with some heavy cream. It's all going to start boiling nicely. Start mixing it around. You just don't want anything to stick. Go in with that starchy pasta water. Hit it with our shiitake. This stuff is phenomenal. We're doing mushrooms on mushrooms here. The flavors that are being built, oh, it's so amazing. Now we're going to go in with some kale. Don't worry, that kale is going to cook down quite a bit. As you can see, it cooked down. We're going to go back in with that pasta, mix all of that together. Be very careful here. That liquid is hot. It's going to take a minute. Just take your time and just mix it thoroughly. Now, once it looks something like that, go back in with those bacon. You know, bacon makes everything healthier and better. Now, once we have that mixed in, we're going to go in with our shredded Parmesan cheese or grated Parmesan cheese. Once you have that nice and topped to where you like it, we are going to go in with some mozzarella cheese on top. put as little or as much as you would like on that. And then we got that big green egg set up for indirect cooking. Throw that cast iron in that baby. We're cooking over jealous devil charcoal. Oh, this is going to be phenomenal. Look at that. It looks so good. Now, once all that cheese is melted and everything's ooey gooey, get it into a bowl, guys. Enjoy. Let us know in the comments if you are eating or passing. Guys, I think it's going to be amazing. Enjoy. We will see all of you guys next time.